In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. कुछ अहले सितम, कुछ अहले चशम में खाना गिराने आए थे। कुछ अहले सितम, कुछ अहले चशम में खाना गिराने आए थे। दहलीज को चूम कर छोड़ गए, देखा कि ये पत्थर भारी है। जख्मों से बदन गुलजार सही, पर इनके शिकस्ता तीर गिनो। जख्मों से बदन गुलजार सही, पर इनके शिकस्ता तीर गिनो। खुद तरकश वाले कह देंगे ये बाजी किसने हारी है। I am Insha Shafiq speaking from grade 7, The Kids Club Grammar High School, Samrial. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today here I am presenting speech about Allama Iqbal's passion for Pakistan. कोई अरूज दे ना ज़वाल दे, कोई अरूज दे ना ज़वाल दे, मुझे सिर्फ इतना कमाल दे। मुझे अपनी राह में डाल दे, मुझे अपनी राह में डाल दे, कि ज़माना मेरी मिसाल दे। Your message is unity, your message is clear, your insight is great, your intention is sincere. You are called a legend, you are poet of East. Your words are wisdom, my judgment is least. Honorable Director, respected Chief Guest, respected teachers and my fellows. Today I am going to say something about a personality who has no need to praise, who is unique in his capacity as a poet, who is rare in his circle as a philosopher, who has no alternate as a great thinker, and who presented everything in the shape of poetry. ना तो ज़मीं के लिए है ना आसमां के लिए, ना तो ज़मीं के लिए है ना आसमां के लिए, जहाँ है तेरे लिए तू नहीं जहाँ के लिए। I'm talking about Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. When he was born, the Muslims of subcontinent were plunged into the depths of darkness. He aroused as a great ray of hope on the horizon of subcontinent, and all the generations of Muslims became delighted. He presented the message of unity, dignity and passion. अल्लाह से करे दूर तो तालीम भी फितना, अल्लाह से करे दूर तो तालीम भी फितना, अमलाक भी औलाद भी जागीर भी फितना। ना हक के लिए उठे तो शमशीर भी फितना, ना हक के लिए उठे तो शमशीर भी फितना, शमशीर ही क्या नाराए तकबीर भी फितना। All were wandering, he collected them all. All were helpless, all were helpless, he stopped them to fall. He took a case, he took a case, he worked for others, he awakened the people, he lived for others. Iqbal was not mere a person, he was a genius who not only realized the bad conditions of Muslims, but also thought deeply over it and eventually presented an outclass solution which was called two-nation theory. Allama Iqbal boosted the theory and publicized it over the subcontinent. नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कुश्ते वीरां से, नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कुश्ते वीरां से, जरा नम हो तो ये मट्टी बड़ी जरखेज है साकी। He truly depicted the original version of ideology that Muslims and Hindus are two different nations and could never be gathered in a same place. Allama Iqbal raised his voice in the form of powerful verses which worked as a miracle, and Muslims became one under a single flag on a single platform. He said, Allah is one, the Prophet is one, Quran is one, the faith is one. If all is one, the earth and sun will never be separated. We all are one. Today we announce we all are one by saying this and raising slogans. लेकर रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान, लेकर रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान, हम सबका है ये ईमान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान. Allama Iqbal continued to awake the souls of Muslims by writing poetry of freedom. He also guided Muslims about the importance of Pakistan's existence. He provided a solid leadership to the Muslims of subcontinent, and on the occasion of Round Table Conference at Allahabad, he strongly asserted his case. This was the turning point for Pakistan's movement. निकली तो लब्बे इकबाल से है, क्या जाने किसकी है ये सदा, निकली तो लब्बे इकबाल से है, क्या जाने किसकी है ये सदा, पैगामे सकून पहुंचा भी गई, दिले महफिल को तड़पा भी गई. Iqbal wrote the explanation of Quranic verses in his poetry and transformed a pure religious message into the brains of Muslims. मोती समझ के शाने करीमी ने चुन लिए, मोती समझ के शाने करीमी ने चुन लिए कतरे जो थे मेरे अर्के इन्फाल के. He said to them to feel their position and their lost status on the pages of history. He paved the way for other Muslim leaders. Iqbal wrote for all type of people, but his main focus was the young generation and children. It seemed as if he believed to convince them, and his idea worked wonder. Pakistan came into existence of a practical shape of Iqbal's dream. Allama Iqbal alive no more to see the interruption of his fantastic dream. The heartbeat of billions of people was stopped on 21st April 1938. Allama Iqbal was buried near Badshai Mosque at Lahore. दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, पर नहीं ताकत परवाज मगर रखती है. हम तो माइल ब करम हैं कोई साइल ही नहीं, हम तो माइल ब करम हैं कोई साइल ही नहीं, राह दिखलाएं किसे राह बरो मंजिल ही नहीं. His message has an everlasting effect forever. I want to end my tributes in these words. He who does the extraordinary, he who does the extraordinary never die. He who sweeps the others' tears never cry. His name remains forever. He became a legend. He radiates his shiny rays. He became a diamond. He never gets worried. He never gets worried. As sixes or sevens, he buries in the grave. His soul stays at the heaven. Thank you very much.
MashaAllah, well done, well done.